In this video, we're going to talk about the Microsoft 401k plan and specifically how Microsoft employees in 2022 can contribute $30,250 to a Roth within the 401k. Let's take a look at the updated numbers for 2022. You as an employee can contribute $20,500 to the 401k plan. This can be on either a pre-tax or Roth basis. Typically, I'd like to see these dollars invested pre-tax so that we can reduce our taxable income. This is one of the few opportunities we have throughout the year to reduce that taxable income number. On top of your contribution, Microsoft will match 50% for $10,250 maximum. We then have the new IRS limit for 2022 at $61,000. So for those of you who have been taking advantage of the Mega Backdoor, already know this information, but the increase to the IRS limit has also increased the amount you can contribute on an after-tax basis. So within the Microsoft 401k, you can contribute $30,250 on an after-tax basis and convert that to Roth within the 401k. For those of you who are older than 50 or will be by the end of 2022, the Mega Backdoor number remains the same. The only difference is that you can contribute an additional $6,500 to this number right here. So your employee contribution is now up to $27,000. So how do you go about converting these dollars to Roth within the 401k? It's a pretty straightforward, simple process. You log into Fidelity. If you go to the contribution election page, we can see pre-tax, we have the after-tax, and then at the very bottom, there's a drop-down. Under that drop-down, you can say, convert my dollars to Roth automatically. What I really like about this is twofold. One, it's a simple set it and forget it strategy. Every future contribution you make will be converted to Roth within the plan. And then secondly, it really alleviates any potential tax burden. So anytime those after-tax contributions get made, these dollars will be automatically converted to Roth. There's no time or room for these dollars to grow. If you were to do any lump sum conversions at the end of the year and there was earnings on top of these after-tax contributions, the earnings portion would be taxed as income. So if you go in there, have these converted automatically, you alleviate that potential tax burden and you never really have to think about it again. So what is the real benefit of a Roth? Well, if we compare it to just a taxable brokerage account, in these types of accounts, any interest, dividends, capital gains at the end of the year will have a tax associated with them. Interest will be taxed as if it was just ordinary income from work. Dividends, capital gains have the capital gains rate applied to them. If we compare that to a Roth, anything that happens within the Roth is non-taxable. Interest, dividends, capital gains, no taxes due. So these dollars get to grow tax-free and are distributed tax-free in retirement as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can add me on LinkedIn or reach out via phone or email. Also be sure to check out our website, avioradvisors.com/Microsoft. We have a ton of great content, videos, blogs to help you better understand and leverage your benefits at Microsoft. Lastly, we have a quick disclaimer. Again, feel free to share the video, share it with a colleague, give our YouTube page a like or a follow, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.